Today I'm fixing some things on my bike and I'm going to be making videos of those for Instagram. So right now I'm headed to Ace Hardware at my boy Justin's house to pick up what I need. I don't know what thread pitch the bolt is because it doesn't say. So I'm just going to get a bunch of different thread pitches and throw them in my shit bin. Yeah, it's M6x16. And then I don't remember the thread pitch. So what thread pitch is that? Is that 1?
1.
All right, and then let's get a 1.25 too. Yo, what? That's the best plunger ever. Wait, what does it do when you... No way. That's hilarious.
Go deer hunting, bro. Or bird hunting.
Alright, see ya. Alright, you ready? Big review. I'm trying to see if it works. And then I also haven't had a cotter pin in my axle for a few months, so I picked one up too. Put that thing in there. Jeez, what the... This one's a lot stiffer.
Yeah, I had a friend who would drive in the rain with no doors.
Blake?
Yeah.
So I have I did the rubber grommets and the cotter pin. Now I just have the bracket, which is out here. It's out here drying. It's a crappy paint job, but it only has to protect against rust, so it doesn't really matter that much. What's going on?
I don't know.
Is it clogged?
Let me see.
If there's definitely still paint in it. God damn it.
It is clogged.
How do you unclog it?
Yeah.
It.
Yeah.
You should just get a
shit tiptoes.
just get a 636.
Lower.
Join the gang. No, don't lower it.
No, I want a leader bike.
Yeah, it is.
But some chicks dig it. Then
What,
some
riding on the back?
Yeah.
Nobody likes riding.
Well,
Yeah, dude,
and then they
this-
scratch your tank and ruin your bike.
Right? No, god damn it.
Organized and everything. I thought you were doing a dig at me because I got stuff all over the place. I was gonna say, just drop him on the floor. He deserves it. He deserves it. He deserves it.
Alright, that's it.
Yellow.
A couple days later, now I'm going over to Eugene's house to get my chain and sprockets mounted up. Hey Dudes. You know what that is?
No.
Oh, they're pretty much like that, but like a little bit more outdoor focused.
Okay.
Because those are like house slippers.
Yeah.
They're basically like house slippers designed to wear out.
Send some of those to me.
What's up?
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Filming.
You talking to that camera again, Mason? God, I told you stop doing that.
Getting all these little things on my bike fixed has got me feeling good about riding again. So I'm definitely going to be out more, and there's going to be some more street bike videos here on this channel. But I'd like to encourage you guys to keep signing up for that giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Hush.